Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. My name is Hassan, and today we are going to stop anyone, including your friend or contact, to adding you in a WhatsApp group. So no one can add you in any WhatsApp group, including your friends on WhatsApp. On top right, you see three dots. So click on it, and then you see multiple option. Now you see settings. So click on it. So we are in setting, and then you see privacy option. So click on it. So we are in privacy option, and then you see groups, my contact. By default everyone show here, but we are going to block everyone including friend. So we are in group setting. Now you see who can add me to group. We selected my contact, but we are going to block everyone including my contact or friend. So you can select this option, my contact, accept. Now you see all contact or friend we have. So we are going to select all. Press on this button on top right, and then you see 78 contact excluded. So we are going to exclude, and then you see tick icon. So click on it. So we select all our contact or friend to exclude. So no one can add me in any group. So click on it. Now you see group option, 78 contact excluded. So we block everyone. So in this way you can stop everyone to adding you in a WhatsApp group. So I hope you like this video. Please like, comment, share, subscribe. Thank you for watching.